What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a break from the Corolla, and we're actually going to be working on my S13 240. When I picked it up, it had an eBay exhaust on it. No hate there, but it's stupid loud because it's got headers and a cat delete. So it's a flow through, and then I think the eBay exhaust is supposed to have a baffle, but it is not in there. So I actually picked up another eBay exhaust because I'm cheap. And we're going to be taking a look at if it improves the sound quality at all. I know it'll look better because this one's all banged up and there's an exhaust leak right underneath the driver's floor pan, which isn't the greatest. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull in the 240, and then we'll take a look at the existing exhaust.
There she is. I promise you this thing looks better on camera than it does in real life. There we go.
Got the 240 in the garage. I'm going to go ahead and jack it up and show you the existing exhaust before we go ahead and put on the new one. That's why I use jack stands. I don't know if you saw that, but we're good. We're good now.
So starting at the back here, you can see muffler pretty banged up all the way down. Like I said, pretty much a straight pipe. And then over there is where we have an exhaust leak, but I'll fix that because the new exhaust replaces that, I believe. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get this one out. May take a little while because it's all rusty, but I'll catch you when we're finished.
So I'm gonna actually break out the new exhaust and make sure that it is the right one. And plus I also just kind of want to look at it. So alright, this is the first piece. See, we got the burnt tip in there, and I think that's the baffle that you can take out, but we're gonna leave that in. The second piece here, honestly, for $130, this isn't bad. I mean, the welds aren't terrible. I don't know how long they'll last, but for 130 bucks, can't really complain. Even comes with all the gaskets and hardware, so that's nice. Don't have to reuse the old crusty stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna leave that white piece on just until I can get it installed, but definitely the right one, all the right hangers, and looks pretty good. So go ahead and take this old one out and show you the process of installing. Well, I broke it, but I expect it to do so. By the way, that one came out easy, half a turn, easy. Frickin' hate New England. This was inevitable. Whew. That sucked. Pardon my appearance. Every once in a while I'll walk home after working on my car and my sisters will think I have mascara on.
Not exactly my style, but you know, if that's what you're into. This is the old exhaust. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. I think it's got caught on a few too many trailers and kind of ripped, like, obviously an exhaust leak there. I mean, the welds held up pretty good other than right there, but I actually think it might be the same exact exhaust. That one has a smoke tip. I don't think this one ever had a smoke tip, but and then obviously that one has the baffle in it, which I'll be keeping in. Probably, I'm assuming. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll probably bolt this one up outside the car and just match this one, and then go ahead and put it all in one piece. Got to take that one hanger off, but yeah. Well, I guess it's not the same exact exhaust. This can is a little shorter. Just finished up the first part. Now I'm going to get underneath the car and hook up the rest. So wish me luck. Alright, so just finished the exhaust. As far as I can tell, still got to check for leaks. But you can see I haven't pulled that off yet. Hugs pretty nicely. Doesn't hit. That hanger is a little bit of a stretch. But other than that, I mean, pretty much fits, you know, it fits really well. It does have a cat, I guess. I didn't realize. So maybe it will be quieter than I thought. This looks like a small resonator that was part of the kit. And then I have ISR headers up front. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up. Well, I'll take the plastic off first. Fire it up, check for leaks, and then put it back down. Definitely quieter. So, I'm gonna pull it off and then go for a ride. Here she is. Sounds great at idle. Not terribly loud. There's a little bit of rattle coming from that baffle in there, but other than that, I mean, it purrs. Go ahead and let it warm up, and then we'll take it for a drive. Alright, the car's all warmed up. I fixed the rattle, it was just loose. I thought it was tight, but then I just tightened it and it went away. So car's warmed up, so we're gonna give it a couple revs and then take it on the. Whoa, what is going on with the camera here? Whoa. That's solid motor mounts for you. Alright, I guess I'll just hold it while we do the revs and then see what I can do for the test drive. Its idle is at about 900, so just for reference. So it's definitely still loud, but actually most of it is coming from the engine. The exhaust seems pretty neat. Not terribly raspy or anything. Not like a wannabe cool 4-cylinder that it was before. So yeah, I'm gonna take it for a drive. We'll see how the footage turns out. But if not, I'll just meet you back here.
this car and are like, oh, that's a cool car. I remember when those were popular instead of, oh, look at that piece of crap. I remember when those were popular. We're not there yet, boys. I mean, compared to before, the drone is 100 times better. Yeah, as you can see, I mean, feels pretty good. Yeah, I mean, that thing rattled loose and actually I lost it on the road, so I'm either gonna have to put a lock nut on there next time, or figure out something else. Might have to drill another hole in the side so I can put another bolt in. But yeah, I mean, other than that rattle, this thing, I mean, it purrs comparatively. The drone is almost non-existent compared to what it was. It was bad. Alright guys, I think I'll end the video there. Let me know what you think about the exhaust. Think I got ripped off? I don't think so. It's only $130. But yeah, let me know. And let me know what else you want to see with that car. You know, maybe I'll go to a drift event or something this summer once things open back up. Never done it before, so maybe you'll get to learn with me. Yeah, I want to do a couple more things to it. The interior is not completely finished, so I'm tracking down a couple of those parts. And then exteriorly, obviously the paint isn't the greatest, like any 240 ever. Yeah, so let me know what you want to see. Maybe I could try doing the paint myself, Rust-Oleum style. I did the hood by myself, and it turned out okay. But yeah. I think I'm going to cut it there, and I'll see you in the next one. We'll probably be working on the Corolla, maybe doing a clutch. So stay tuned. Peace.